What's good, YouTube? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today we got 3 mods for you guys. We got these crazy F90 M5 style headlights. They also have a blue daytime running light right there, as you guys can see. We have some rear bumper extensions and some paddle shifters. I'll show you guys that after. But the main thing right here are these crazy headlights. Alright, you guys, so I'm not going to do too detailed of an install on the headlights. It's pretty much straightforward. You guys just got to take off the bumper, and there's 5 screws surrounding the headlights. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that you guys can refer to remove the headlights, but this is pretty much what it looks like right now. The car is mad fucking low. When I pulled up, it was literally like an inch off the sidewalk. So yeah, the Rev 9 coils are doing their thing. Yeah, I'm gonna get some better shots of the lights itself for you guys right now, and then I'll pick up the camera when we're putting them in. But yeah, you guys can refer to, if you guys need a video to refer to install these lights, let me know. I'll link you in the comments. As you guys know, I'm very active in my comments. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is what's going on the rear bumper for you guys. This is the rear bumper extension. It's like the G80 M3 style. So let me go ahead and just do like a mock fit so you guys can get an idea. But pretty much it just goes like right here, and that's pretty much what it looks like. So the G80 M3, like all the side skirt extensions they make for those cars, have like a little cutout right here for the wheel, the flare. So the next thing we need to get is the matching side skirts that go with this. But I think it's really going to set off the rear, especially when we dump the back a little bit more. But yeah, the next thing that we have for you guys is, give me 1 second, the same paddles that I have on my 6 Series. If you guys want these are on my site. They fit any F Series BMW or G Series as well. If you guys have a G80 and you want to change up the color of your paddles, because they only come red. As you guys can see, the quality is amazing, and it has the rubber on the back. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so Josh got the front right. No, if I turn the other way, it's front left actually.
Driver's side.
The driver's side headlight out. You guys don't need to take off your whole bumper. You just kind of need to take off all the screws on top, and then there's 2 in each fender liner that you guys are going to need to take off. Now that the car is slammed, we did have to jack off the car and take off the wheels to access everything. But yeah, we're going to throw these out. The driver's side is actually like brand new, if you guys could see. But if you guys take a look at this passenger one, it's clapped to shit. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so I'm putting in the headlight right now. From what it looks like, from our first looks, it doesn't look like we need to transfer anything over. But what Josh is going to do right now is plug in the connector in the back, and then I'll hit the unlock button for you guys, and we'll see if anything happens. So this is the new M5 style light, and this is what the clapped by Xenon OEM ones look like. So as you guys can see, there's a fucking huge difference. These look way better. But yeah. Alright, you guys, we're about to see if they work. Moment of truth, if the 1.5-month wait was worth it. Oh, and they work. Oh my god, these shits are fucking fire. What the fuck? And they have the blue daytime running light. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down. Actually, let me get some close-ups because you guys are more important than my phone. But sheesh. And the blue pops out with the lights on. Oh my god. Alright, you guys, so we didn't end up needing to transfer anything off of these lights. All the functions and stuff work. We're just pretty much putting back all the 5 factory bolts, right? It's like 5 bolts? 4. We're putting back all 4 factory bolts right now. We'll do the other side, bolt it back up, and then I'll get some really nice shots for you guys once it's done. But the good thing about these lights is they're plug and play. directly. You don't have to transfer anything from your factory lights. What's it called? These are for the bi-xenon, as you guys can see. I have them on my website available for bi-xenon, LED, and halogen. So no matter what F30 you guys have, you guys can get these style of lights. But yeah, the link will be in my description if you guys want these. But shits came out really good. Yeah, you gotta be fast for that shit. So we got both of the headlights out, guys, as you can see. We got the clap one out. Thankfully, you don't have to swap anything if you guys have a bi-xenon car. So if your lights look like how these lights look stock, you don't have to swap anything over. I'm not sure about the LED or the halogen because I don't have LED or a halogen car as an example. But this is the new one that Josh is about to put in. It's plug and play and 4 bolts, and it's as simple as that. You guys don't even need to take the bumper off at the bottom or even disconnect your fogs. So yeah. All right, you guys, so we got the lights in on both sides right now, and I'm about to do a test for you guys. Oh my god, they both come on. As you guys can see, the blue at the bottom stays on the entire time, but this car's gonna look crazy with the bumper. It's not the original BMW style because I know most people are used to halos, but I think it's sick. It's recording already, you should open it.
With the high beam on? Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so we got everything buttoned back up from the headlight install. As you guys can see, they're looking mean as fuck. Let me get you guys some close-up without them on. And I'm gonna back up so you guys can see from like a distance what these lights look like. Once again, they'll be available on my site. But as you guys can see, they come on sick. And they have a blue daytime running light in the middle. I'm gonna get closer for you guys so you can see it now, but it's like the newer M's where it has like a blue light in the middle, and that stays running at all times. It's not like the tail lights where it just does it in the beginning and cuts off, but it stays on the whole time you're driving. So yeah, these shits came out really good. And then has the sequential turn signal, you guys will see as I'm locking it now. But yeah, if you guys want these headlights, they'll be, link will be in the description. So now we're moving on to the rear bumper extensions. So I put a little bit of 3M tape, as you guys can see, on the sides of them. Like I showed you guys before, they line up like the G80 ones. Just the next thing I'll need is the side skirt extension. But yeah, we had jacked up the car a little bit from the back because the car is slammed out now, so can't even get a drill under any part of the car. So got the car jacked up in the back, and then we're probably gonna pre-drill holes. It has like little circles right here. We're gonna pre-drill holes on this side right here on the inside. So there's one at the top and one at the bottom, and just rebolt it with the factory bolts. And then I just put a little 3M tape on the inside to hug the bumper. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for the rear bumper extensions. All right, you guys, so we got the rear bumper extensions in. These shits came out mint. They go like with the rear diffuser really well. Let me show you guys now. But yeah, it really complements the diffuser, and it makes the car look a lot wider from the rear. Makes it have a lot like better of a stance, I guess you could say. Pretty much the way we installed it is I put 3M tape along the inside right where it connects to the body line, just to get it like sitting. And then the kit came with screws, self-tapping screws. So I just self-tapped 3 on the bottom on each side. And as you guys can see, these are the results of that. Came out mint. That's what it looks like from the front. Fitment is on point. Literally fits this bumper perfectly. It's not like a universal one. But yeah, next thing we're gonna do is the paddle shift. Alright you guys, so we finished up the headlight install. Came out pretty good. Let me show you guys what they look like. So yeah, that's what they look like when they come to life. They're super sick, as you guys can see. I think my favorite part is the blue daytime running light. Shit is absolutely sick. Let me turn up the light on the GoPro. Maybe it'll show the lights better. Yeah, but these things came out sick, you guys. I would definitely recommend them. The link will be on my website. And with that being said, I'll put some clips in for you guys now. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.